So in this class, we are going to look at three functions: the left, the right, and the mid expressions. Let me start by the left. So let me just call this column left. So if I say equal to left, left will ask me to put the text I want to take and then the number of characters. So let's say I'm looking at this text B2. I can click on it or I type B2. And I want to pick out one character from the left of B2. I have to say number of characters here. I will just say 1. If I hit enter, I'm going to have F. So I think of what it will be if I had changed this to 2. It will give me FR, because from the left of B2, if I count 2 characters from the left of B2, I'm going to have FR. What will it be if I have said 3? FRA. So it's going to give me that. Again, it's very responsive. If I scroll down, I'm going to have that for the rest names. Let's look at right and see. So I can as well call this column right. So that means from the right this time, equal to right. Let me use the surname and I say C2, 1. That means from the right, pick out one value from the right. It's going to say that. And if I change this to 2, I'm going to have UO from the right. So if I scroll down, it will also give me the rest. Let's look at mid. So mid means middle. Now, in mid, what if I want to pick out, let's say, EM in this name? There is no way I can pick out EM here if I use left or right, because left start counting from the first number in left. Right starts counting from the first number in right. So mid is what will help us here. So I can say this name and then comma. So mid actually starts counting from the left. So starting number, I want to count the third number from the left, which is 1, 2, 3. That is where I want to start counting. So I'm going to say 3. That means from the left, the number I want to start with is 3. So the number of characters from that 3 is 2. That means count 3 numbers. Count from the third number in the left. Give me 2 values. That's what this thing here means. So if I hit enter, I'm going to have EM. Understand what it means. Starting number is C2, which is the name. And the text is C2. Starting number is 3. And then number of characters is 2. So I'm going to get that. So the same way, if I use freehandle, it will calculate the rest for me. Let's look at, can we actually delete this? Or actually get the initial of someone's name. So I will call it initials. So with initials now, I can actually do something. I want to get the initial of this name and the initial of this name. I can use left to get F here, use left to get E here, right? Cool. Then I'll now use concatenate to join both of them together. So first off, I have to start my formula with an equal sign concatenate. I'm going to concatenate the left of B2, 1. So I will close the brackets. So I'm going to use that as my text 1 and give it a comma. And then I put left of C2, 1. I close it and I close my concatenates. Now, because I would like full stop to be in between them here, I'm going to put quotation mark, add a full stop, and then close my quotation mark and give a comma. Okay. So if I do that, I'm going to have f dot e. Imagine if I attach upper to it. Our formulas are becoming more and more complex. I'm going to have f dot e in capital letter. So if I use frame handle, I'm going to have it that way. So corresponding to the names and everything. So take a look at the formula and think if anything is confusing.